What's up, guy? We will check now the Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Why the Facebook and the other social media affiliates are down. We'll check now on the Facebook. We type in the Facebook. See, still not working. So the site cannot be reached. They said. And also the Instagram. We'll type the Instagram. See, it's not working also. And also the WhatsApp is not working. So the Instagram Messenger, also Facebook Messenger doesn't working. So let us know what happened to the social media's biggest sites. This is globally, guys, as they said. So let's check some reasons why the Facebook was up down globally. So Facebook and its own application WhatsApp, Instagram are reporting loading issues of several users worldwide complain. Meanwhile, the social media giant's instant messaging platform WhatsApp, also known as, was also down for over 14,000 users, while messengers are down nearly 3,000 users. So, what happened to the Facebook? As the New York Times report, they said that Facebook has already been dealing with plenty of scrutiny. The company has been under fire from the whistleblower Francis Wokin, a former Facebook product manager who amazed thousands of pages in internal research and has since distributed them to the news media, lawmakers, and regulators. Documents reveal that Facebook knew of many harms and its services were causing. So that's some of the reasons. Maybe there is the product manager of Facebook was under fire because of their uh, foul. Some the statement also on the Facebook, as Andy Stone said, they said that we aware that some people are having trouble accessing our apps and products, and we're working to get things back to normal as quickly as possible, and we apologize for any inconvenience. So that's the statement of Facebook so far. And if we go to the Twitter, the Twitter now are in the Facebook dot are number one trending in the Philippines here. There's a lot of tweet flooding in the Twitter now about the Facebook down. As they said, as Rasho said, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram once again made me think that it's my Wi-Fi. This is her icon. Twitter and Telegram headquarters offices plus those hints. At Nitishimina, Facebook, down Instagram, me running to Twitter to confirm that I am not only having issues with Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp. So most of all land of people's down now using Facebook user. Instagram, we'll check the Instagram, Twitter. Uh, see, more people are complaining on what happened to the Facebook and Instagram now, even the WhatsApp, even also the WhatsApp. So here's see, this is the announcement of the Facebook. We are aware some people experience issues with WhatsApp at the moment. We're working to get back to normal and we'll send you update here as soon as possible. That's the Twitter message. Also the Facebook message. We are aware that some people were having trouble accessing Facebook app. We're working to get things back to normal as quickly as possible. We apologize for any inconvenience. So that's the Facebook message. And so Instagram. Instagram and friends are having a little bit a hard time right now and you may be having issues using them. Bear with us, we're on Instagram down. So here are their message and why is the reason why that Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram down globally. So let's see, maybe after an hour how many hours biggest social media giant globally will come back. Still not working. See? So bye first guys. We will update later.